Hello children, in this session we learn about a equation from kinematics, the equation for displacement. It comes out as S is equal to ut plus half at square, where S is displacement, u is initial velocity, t is time and a is acceleration. Here it goes. To derive this equation S is equal to ut plus half at square, let us consider a body of mass m. A body of mass m is moving with an initial velocity u. By the application of force F in time t, say the body changes its velocity to v and it makes a displacement s. I repeat, a body of mass m was moving with an initial velocity u. By the application of force F in time t, the body changes its velocity to v and it makes a displacement s. Now, let us put all this content in the equation. The initial velocity of the body is u. The final velocity is v. The change in velocity. So change is the difference of final and initial. So it becomes v minus u. Next, the rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is change by time. So here the change is v minus u and the time is t. So rate of change of velocity is v minus u by t. This can also be considered as acceleration of the body a. The next step is finding out average velocity. Average velocity. As you all know, average velocity is the ratio of sum of the velocities by number of velocities. Here we have two different velocities v and u. So their sum becomes v plus u and by 2. So here the sum of the velocities by the number of velocities gives the average velocity of this entire system. Now moving on to the main part of this equation. So the displacement of the system, displacement S is given by average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. Now here displacement S is equal to, we have average velocity as v plus u by 2 and time is t. The next step, we have an equation v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. So let us substitute v is equal to u plus at here. Now this becomes u plus at plus u into t by 2. The next step comes out like this. U into t is ut plus again at into t is at square plus u into t is again ut by 2. The next step is this ut and this ut, they become 2ut plus at square by 2. Now let us write this equation in two forms like this. 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2. This is the next step. Now let us cancel 2 and 2. The remaining is ut plus at square by 2, that we can write as half at square. So this is how the equation for displacement is arrived. S is equal to ut plus half at square, where S is displacement, u is initial velocity of the body, t is time, a is acceleration. Learning is fun at